Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'll be making walnuts cookies filled with caramelized condensed milk and walnuts. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients below the video. Grate cold butter, then add vanilla sugar, baking powder, salt, cardamom, flour, and eggs. Mix everything well. Shape the dough into small pieces. For my mold, 5 to 6 grams each works perfectly, but adjust according to yours. Place the mold over the heat and bake each side until golden brown. Once the cookie halves have cooled, trim their edges with a knife as shown in the video. Next, fill the cookies. You can place a piece of walnut in each half if you like. Then add boiled condensed milk and press the halves together. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you soon, friends!